Electronics have charted the course of humanity's greatest endeavors. It has propelled astronauts beyond our atmosphere, revolutionized medicine, saving countless lives, and reinvented every aspect of our daily living. Each innovation has been a heartbeat towards the future, a step in humanity's journey into the improvement of our life. Hemar Group has been an actor of this journey, developing and building electronics products and solutions for the most innovative and inspired startups and corporations. As a leader in electronic manufacturing services, Hemar Group blends passion with technical expertise to deliver cutting-edge solutions. From hardware and software development to mass production, from integrated logistics to dedicated startup support, each service is infused with Swiss quality and meticulous attention to detail. We are committed to transforming your visions into tangible realities with a steadfast dedication to innovation and excellence. Our ISO 9001, ISO 13485, AQAP 2110, and ISO 14001 certifications confirm our quality. Ready to launch your amazing product? Together we can continue to push the boundaries of the possible, creating not just products, but also success stories. Get in touch with us today and let's create the most remarkable electronics for our next future. Hemar Group. Electronic is our world. Manufacturing our passion.